Hey, I'm Tristan Gatto, and welcome to 4-Minute Core Transformation. Today we'll be focusing on an exercise we call the dead bug. I guess because the way it looks like is a bug on its back, and it's like, help me, kind of morbid, but whatever. This is one that I use a lot with my physical therapy patients when they have back pain, when we want to work on stability. So this is a really great one for anybody, even if you don't experience back pain. If you want to avoid back pain, this is a great run for tuning up the spine and keeping it nice and stable. So to do this, come down onto your back. Hook the hands underneath the knees, and with core support, we'll exhale and slowly draw ourselves down to the mat. So arms are going to start overhead, and we're going to bend the knees here, and the arms will move in tandem, opposite directions, in the same way with the knees. So we'll do right and left. And this is the motion. What we're focusing on is squeezing the belly down, keeping the ribs wrapped down, really, really drawing and stabilizing. And we're having extra challenge with the arms and legs. And if you want, you can do same arm, same leg if you choose, or you can do opposites. I prefer both because it's easier to manage. Maybe it's just me, it's how my brain works. So let's get started. Arms overhead, feet onto the mat, and here we go. Let's bring the right leg up, arm up, and switch it back. Doesn't matter if you're doing it right or wrong, just keep the arms and the legs moving. Focus on the stability in your spine. I won't judge you, it's just me. Me and you, in this together. Beautiful, bring it back down. If you can't do this, do the arms, sit up tall, do the arms, and then the second round, do the legs. Whichever you choose, but try to do these together. Bicycle out the legs. You can tap the heels down if you choose. You can relax the head if you need. Try not to cling onto the front of your neck. Squeeze the abdominals down. Beautiful. I'm going to scoot down a little bit. Rest. Shake out the body side to side. Maybe you do a tall body stretch, whatever feels good. Arms overhead. Here we go. Tapping those heels down. Squeezing the abdominals. Think of core support. You're trying not to let your torso move around or your back pull too far off the floor. Keep breathing. Good, relax, shake it out, side to side. Beautiful. We got several more rounds, we're almost done. Only a quick 4 minutes. Phew. Tap the feet. You're doing great. Keep it moving. Squeeze those abdominals down. Whoo! Beautiful. Shake it out side to side. And you might feel a lot of work into the hip flexors. No worries, we'll stretch those out here at the end. Good, arms overhead and shake it out. Squeeze the abdominals down. Doesn't matter which way the arms and legs are moving. We just want to keep everything moving because moving the limbs challenges the stability in the core. So that's why this is a really good one. Beautiful. Here we go. Arms overhead and switch it out. Keep stabilizing those abdominals. You're doing great. I know it's burning. Keep with me. It's all worth it, trust me. Little discomfort for a whole lot of benefit. But nothing sharp shooting, numbness, tingling. We want to avoid all of that. All right, here we go. Arms overhead. Switch it out. Keep breathing. Keep squeezing. High chested breath. Little sips of air. Try to keep everything nice and tight in the abdominals. Good, shake it out side to side. We're almost done. You're doing great. Not too bad, not too bad. Good, here we go. Whew. And it might start off a little wonky. Who cares? No worries. As long as we're doing it to the best that we can, no worries, no judgments. No need to be hard on ourselves. Shake it out side to side. Nice. And we're done. It was fast. It wasn't too bad. Nice. Take your arms out overhead. Feet will be on the mat. Press your hips up to the ceiling, rolling back to your shoulder shelf, but nothing on your neck. Let's hold here for a minute. Breathe into the belly. Exhale out. Breathe in again. Exhale out. Last one, breathe in. Exhale out. Slowly bring each vertebrae back down to the mat as you lower. Good. Shake the knees out side to side. And let's begin to curl towards the screen. Curling up on your side, pressing through your free hand. Coming to a comfortable seat or however you find yourself most comfortable. Whew. Nice work. Bring your arms up, big breath in, and exhale, hands to heart. And just having some gratitude for showing up today for yourself and to nourish your body with healthy and stable movement. Know that the badass in me honors and recognizes the badass in you. If you love this video, feel free to subscribe down below. Check out some of my awesome top-selling courses that are helping thousands and thousands of people, which is so rad. And I can't wait to see you next time. Namaste and Beyonce.